Right, listen up people, today we're diving into the world of one of the most beloved and versatile foods on the planet. Today we're talking about sweet potatoes. These vibrant, nutrient-packed tubers have captured the hearts and taste buds of people worldwide, not those boring old potatoes you mash up for dinner. No, we're talking about something far more exciting. We're talking about the orange ones. The ones that are not only visually stunning, but also incredibly delicious. The ones that taste like sunshine and happiness. Whether baked, roasted, or mashed, they bring joy to every meal. Sweet potatoes are massively popular. You can find them in bustling markets and supermarket aisles around the globe. Grown all over the world, from the Americas to Asia, these tubers thrive in diverse climates and soils. These beauties are a staple food for millions. They are integral to traditional meals in many cultures, adding flavor and nutrition. They're versatile, delicious, and packed with nutrients, rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. They are a powerhouse of health benefits. But have you ever wondered how these orange wonders go from being buried underground to sitting on your plate? The journey is as fascinating as the tuber itself. Buckle up, because we're about to take a high-octane journey through the fascinating world of sweet potato harvesting and processing. From the fields where they are grown to the factories where they are processed, every step is a marvel of agricultural and technological prowess. We'll explore how they are carefully harvested, meticulously cleaned, and expertly packaged to ensure they reach you in perfect condition. So get ready to appreciate your next sweet potato meal even more. Before we bring in the big machines, let's rewind a bit. Sweet potatoes start life as tiny slips, little shoots that grow from the roots of mature plants. Farmers carefully plant these slips in rows, giving them plenty of space to spread out and soak up the sun. The growing season can last anywhere from 3 to 6 months, depending on the variety and climate. During this time, the plants develop lush green vines that creep along the ground, while underground the magic happens. The roots swell and mature, transforming into the sweet, vibrant tubers we know and love. Harvesting sweet potatoes is a delicate operation. You can't just yank them out of the ground like some common radish. These spuds need to be handled with care to avoid bruising or damage. Traditionally, farmers used hand tools to carefully loosen the soil around the plants. Then they gently lift the sweet potatoes out of the ground, taking care not to damage the delicate skin. While this method is still used in some smaller farms, it's a slow and labor-intensive process. That's where the big boys come in, the mighty machines that have revolutionized sweet potato farming. Section 4, the knights in shining armor. Harvesting machinery takes charge. Enter the mechanical marvels that make sweet potato harvesting a breeze. These powerful machines are engineered to dig up the sweet potatoes with precision, minimizing damage and maximizing efficiency. One of the key players in this mechanized ballet is the sweet potato harvester. This beast of a machine rumbles through the fields, its rotating blades gently lifting the sweet potatoes from the soil. The harvester then feeds the unearthed spuds onto a conveyor belt where they begin their journey to the next stage of processing. Section 5. Sorting the titans, separating the good from the great. Once the sweet potatoes are harvested, they need to be sorted. This is a crucial step in ensuring that only the best quality sweet potatoes make it to the market. The sorting process begins as soon as the sweet potatoes are unloaded from the trucks. Workers carefully transport them in crates to the sorting area. Not every spud is destined for greatness. Each sweet potato is unique, varying in size, shape, and quality. The first step in the sorting process involves a manual inspection by workers who are trained to spot any obvious defects. Some might be too small, too big, or slightly blemished. These imperfections can affect the overall quality and market value of the sweet potatoes. Therefore, it's essential to separate the substandard ones early in the process. This is where the sorting machines come in, acting as the gatekeepers of sweet potato quality. These machines are equipped with advanced technology to ensure precision and efficiency in the sorting process. These ingenious contraptions use a combination of size, weight, and even optical sensors to separate the prize-winning spuds from the rest. The optical sensors can detect color variations and surface defects, while the weight sensors ensure that each sweet potato meets the required standards. The best ones are whisked away to be washed and packaged, ready to be shipped to markets and stores. This ensures that consumers receive only the highest quality sweet potatoes, while the others might be used for different purposes, like animal feed or processing. This way, nothing goes to waste, and every sweet potato finds its purpose, whether it's on a dinner plate or as a nutritious feed for animals. Section 6. Squeaky clean spuds, the journey from field to factory. Freshly harvested sweet potatoes are covered in dirt and debris. Not exactly appetizing, is it? That's why the next stop on their journey is the cleaning station. Here, the sweet potatoes are given a thorough wash and scrub, removing any traces of soil or impurities. Large rotating drums gently tumble the sweet potatoes while jets of water spray them clean. The result? Sparkling clean spuds that are ready for their close-up. Section 7. From farm to fork, the final push. Now that the sweet potatoes are clean and sorted, they're ready for the final stage of their journey, packaging. This process is crucial to ensure that the sweet potatoes maintain their quality and freshness. Each potato is meticulously inspected to meet the highest standards. Workers play a vital role in this stage, ensuring that only the best produce makes it to the next step. They are carefully packed into boxes, bags, or crates, ready to be shipped off to supermarkets, restaurants, and kitchens around the world. The packaging process is designed to protect the sweet potatoes during transportation, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition. This step involves both manual labor and advanced machinery, working in harmony to achieve efficiency and precision. Thanks to the efficiency of modern machinery, the journey from farm to fork is faster and more efficient than ever before. These machines are capable of handling large volumes of sweet potatoes, significantly reducing the time it takes to get them from the farm to the consumer. The technology used in food packaging has evolved tremendously, incorporating automation and robotics to streamline the process. This means that consumers can enjoy fresh, high-quality sweet potatoes year-round. The availability of sweet potatoes in various forms, such as whole, pre-cut, or even as part of ready-to-eat meals, adds to their convenience and appeal. Supermarkets and restaurants rely on this efficient supply chain to meet the demands of their customers, ensuring that sweet potatoes are always in stock. So, the next time you bite into a delicious sweet potato, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get to your plate. From the careful cultivation by dedicated farmers to the advanced technology used in packaging and transportation, every step is essential in delivering that perfect sweet potato. It's a journey that combines tradition with innovation, ensuring that you get the best quality produce. It's a testament to the ingenuity of farmers, the power of technology, and the simple joy of a perfectly grown spud. The collaboration between human effort and technological advancements has revolutionized the way we enjoy our food. This final push from farm to fork is a celebration of hard work, innovation, and the love for good food.